Stop using your phone before bed. I mean it. That blue light is tricking your brain into thinking it's daytime. You're scrolling through other people's lives instead of resting your own. Put it down 30 minutes before sleep. Read something, breathe. Let your brain get quiet. You'll fall asleep faster. Wake up calmer. Think clearer. Your phone will be there in the morning, but a good night's sleep, that changes everything. Try it tonight. Follow along for more little changes that make a big difference.